Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Tech World. We are back with another tutorial as usual, and in this video, we will be showing you how to sign up to create your own Netflix account. If you don't have a Netflix account, and you wish to create a new account, in order to watch all your favorite movies and TV shows, you will need to first go into the Netflix website and then sign up from there. In order to do this, let's first open up the web browser. Now in the address bar, just type in Netflix.com and press enter. Once you enter the official website of Netflix, you will be asked to get started to create a new account. Just go ahead and type in your preferred email address, and then click on the Get Started button. Then click on the Next button. You will be asked to set up a password for your account. Just go ahead and type in your preferred password. You can also click on the checkbox if you don't want emails from Netflix regarding their special offers. Now click on the Next button. Now you will be asked to choose your plan. Click on the Next button to start choosing from the list of available plans. You can choose from 4 different plans based on your requirement. If you don't have a 4K TV, but still would prefer to watch in HD, you can select the standard option. After selecting your preferred plan, click on the Next button. Now you will be asked to set up your payment information. You can either choose PayPal or your credit or debit card. Click on either of those methods. And then you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just go ahead and enter your first name, and then your last name. After entering your first and your last name, go ahead and enter your card number. Go ahead and enter your expiration date. After entering your expiration date, just go ahead and type in your security code. Once you're done entering your credentials, click on the I agree box and then just click on Start Membership. You will be allowed to set up number of users for your Netflix account. And then after setting up all of the users, you will be ready to start streaming on your Netflix account by either downloading the Netflix application on your PC or by logging into Netflix.com by using your web browser straight up. So that is how you can sign up to create your own Netflix account in order to watch your favorite TV shows and movies. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.